Welcome to the heart of harvest season. In this video, we're taking you above the fields to witness one of agriculture's most impressive sights, the corn cob harvest, seen from the skies. This is a combine harvester, an incredible piece of machinery designed to do the work of dozens of people. As it moves through the field, it cuts down rows of corn, separates the cobs from the stalks, and begins processing them all in one pass. The front of the combine is called the header. For corn, a special corn header is used, which guides the stalks into the machine. Rollers strip the ears of corn from the stalks, which are then left behind in neat rows. The machine is focused on what matters most, the cobs themselves. Inside the combine, the ears of corn go through a threshing system. Here the kernels are separated from the cob, while chaff and husks are blown out the back. The cleaned kernels travel to a grain tank on board the harvester. Efficiency is key during harvest. Rather than stopping to unload, many combines use an on-the-go system. A tractor and grain cart pull up next to the combine, and the kernels are transferred through an unloading auger, without the combine ever needing to stop. When harvest is in full swing, multiple combines may work side by side, covering hundreds of acres a day. From above, it looks like a carefully choreographed dance of machines. Every pass is calculated, maximizing yield and minimizing time. The harvested corn is then trucked off the field and taken to storage silos or grain elevators. Some may be used for animal feed, some for food products, and some for ethanol production. Every kernel has a destination. From sunrise to sunset, the corn harvest is a race against time and weather. But thanks to modern farming technology, what used to take weeks can now be done in days. It's a powerful reminder of where our food comes from and the people and machines that make it possible.